Doors are more than just entry points to your home. They play an important role in security, energy efficiency, and curb appeal. In a beautiful, planned community-like celebration, where every detail contributes to your home's charm, keeping your doors in top condition is essential. But how do you know when it's time to replace them? Here are the top signs that your celebration residence may be due for a door replacement. You feel drafts or temperature changes. If you notice warm air seeping in during Florida's hot summers or cool air escaping from your home, your door may no longer be insulating properly. Worn weather stripping and gaps around the frame often cause drafts. This leads to higher energy bills as your HVAC system works harder to regulate indoor temperatures. New, energy-efficient doors with proper seals help keep your home consistently comfortable. Doors are difficult to open or close. A door should operate smoothly, without sticking, dragging, or squeaking. If it doesn't, swelling from humidity can warp wooden doors in celebration's climate. Misaligned frames or sagging hinges can make doors difficult to open or close fully. Over time, these issues compromise security and convenience. Replacing the door ensures proper function and saves you from daily frustration. Visible damage and wear. Your doors make a big impression, both for guests and potential buyers. Visible damage not only affects aesthetics but also performance. Cracks or dents weaken the structure. Peeling paint or fading finishes reduce curb appeal. Rust or rot may indicate deeper damage that affects strength and insulation. A new door instantly refreshes your home's appearance and restores functionality. Moisture or light around the edges. If you see daylight peeking through around your closed door or notice water seeping inside during a rainstorm, that's a clear sign your door no longer fits properly. Gaps allow moisture, dust, and even pests into your home. Over time, moisture can cause mold growth or structural damage. A properly fitted replacement door provides a secure, airtight seal against the elements. Outdated style or design. In celebration's charming neighborhoods, style matters. An outdated door can make your home look older or out of sync with your community's aesthetic. Older doors may clash with updated exteriors or newer construction around your neighborhood. Modern designs include decorative glass panels, sleek finishes, and bold colors that enhance curb appeal. New doors also allow for customization that reflects your personal style while aligning with celebration's architectural standards. Replacing your doors isn't just about function, it's also about keeping your home looking its best. Increased noise from outside. If outdoor noise from traffic, neighbors, or community events seems louder than before, your doors may not be providing proper sound insulation. Worn seals or thin materials let noise pass through easily. Modern replacement doors with insulated cores help create a quieter, more peaceful interior. This is especially valuable in celebration neighborhoods that experience steady foot or vehicle traffic. Security concerns. The door's primary job is to protect your home. If yours feels weak or outdated, it may not be providing the level of security you need. Worn locks or frames can make forced entry easier. Modern doors feature reinforced frames, multi-point locking systems, and impact-resistant materials. Upgrading ensures your family's safety and peace of mind. Final thoughts. Your doors should provide security, efficiency, and style that reflect the beauty of your celebration home. If you're experiencing drafts, difficulty with operation, visible damage, or simply feel your doors are outdated, it may be time for replacement. Investing in new doors not only improves comfort and energy efficiency but also boosts curb appeal and enhances your home's value. With so many modern, stylish, and durable options available, replacing your doors is one of the most rewarding upgrades you can make for your celebration residence.